Hey guys, it's vlog time. Me and Ryan are heading down the road basically to Southall. We're going camping for 2 nights. I've got sunglasses on my head. It's peeing it down. It's awful weather and we're about to put a tent up in an hour. But the best thing to do in these situations is just be a bit delusional. Live in your own little bubble and just pretend it's not happening. It's all good gravy, you know. Stopping. The rain's stopping. Listen to me. Anyway, so yeah, Ryan's just finishing off packing up the car and we will be going, and I'm going to vlog the whole thing this weekend.
Got me bloody Madry.
Not you, Madry. Guess what, Ryan?
What?
We're vlogging.
Oh,
And we're going to do it in YouTube format so we can upload to YouTube.
cool.
Cool. That's exciting. So yeah, follow us to Southall. Don't follow us to Southall, that sounds weird. What do people say? Come with us to Southall for a great time camping, eh? Right, here he is. He's got his Madry, is happy. Cheers, see you there. We are on the way to the pub, shock. We've been to the campsite, set up our tent and just straight to the pub. It's about, how long does it take Ryan to get to the pub? About half an hour or a 4-minute car journey. Yeah, really enjoying it so far. Me and Ryan haven't fell out yet. So all is going well, isn't it, Pi? We'll show you the setup when we get home of the tent in a little site. I don't know how well you can hear me, but it's absolutely fabulous. We've walked down the River Trent and it's gorgeous. So much to see. Absolutely loving it, babes. What can I say? Only about 20 more minutes until we reach the pub. The pub is literally just a minute's walk away now, and I think we've timed it pretty well because heavy rain is forecast in the next 5 or so minutes. So it's going to feel very good to be sat in that pub when the rain starts after that walk. It's been gorgeous, hasn't it, Ryan?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, he says.
Smart.
So yeah, loving it, and yeah, really hot, really sunny and nice. So we've had an absolutely gorgeous day. We've been to 3 different pubs and they've all been so nice. We're back at the tent now. Ryan's just gone for a wazzy woo, and I've told him to nip into reception because I've seen that they've got some takeaway menus, babe, and I'm getting hungry, acting like I've not just had a massive pot pie at the pub, but that was just a snack. So yeah, he's hopefully going to come back with some takeaway menus, and we'll get maybe a bit of supper ordered a little bit later. But yeah, it's been so chilled out, so gorgeous. just listening to a bit of music, having a few little drinky poos and just living it up really. Who says camping can't be fun? I don't get when people say they don't like camping. They must have just gone when it's been bad weather, because there's no complaints here.
I need that tin roof anyway.
That's right, you can't have that, Ryan, because that's what I'm setting my tripod up on. Bear with me, guys. Good morning, everybody. We are all set up, about to make some breakfast. I've got my mushrooms, cutting my mushrooms up. Ryan's on sausage and bacon duty. It's a beautiful morning. We've slept really well, didn't we, Ryan?
Yeah.
And I'm currently using the tomato ketchup as my tripod, so life is good. So we're going to have some sandwiches, a bit of brekkie, and then get ready for the day. So, day number 2. Hey, Rai.
Hey.
Oh, you've got some lovely sun on your face there.
Blinded by the light.
Hey guys, can you believe it? We had a delicious breakfast, but you've just got to trust that it was delicious, because I gobbled it down too quick and forgot to take any video footage. We had sausage, egg, tomato, mushroom, and it was delicious, wasn't it, Ryan?
Beautiful.
And now we're just heading out, walking to Southall, and I think it's about a 4.5 mile walk, so should be pretty easy breezy. And it's lovely weather, so we'll see you along the way and there. Cheers. Morning guys, it's me, just checking in. What time is it, Ryan?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, Monday morning, and it's nearly time to go home. It's a beautiful morning. We're just making some bacon, mushroom and egg cobs this morning. Ryan's just been attacked by a bee. Yeah, it's been a great time. Would highly recommend this site to anybody. And we're a bit sad to be going, aren't we, Ryan?
Yeah.
So, gonna have our final hurrah, and then it's back home. Cheers to a great weekend. Happy campers, aren't we? Weekend here at Boat Lane Camping and Caravan site. We've had an absolutely fantastic weekend. Couldn't fault it, to be honest. We've had glorious blue skies. We've had plenty to do, loads of pubs just in walking distance. I would highly recommend this caravan and camping site. Cheers, guys.
Well said, Donald.